Today, I invite you to dive deeply into this invocation to Saint Cyprian, a powerful prayer that goes far beyond the ordinary, extolling his influence before the Creator of the universe. With fervent faith and sincere devotion, we recognize Saint Cyprian's sacred wisdom that guides us to prosperity. This prayer has the power to unlock financial abundance in your life, being conducted by the eternal and absolute power of Saint Cyprian. Eliminate all obstacles that block the manifestation of wealth, opening the doors to abundance in all spheres of life, especially in finance, allowing you to achieve a full and successful existence. Rid yourself of poverty, bad luck, and misfortunes with this powerful invocation. It's a call to transformation, invoking the mighty Saint Cyprian to guide your life towards riches and divine treasures. Today, your life will change. But remember, do this with faith and dedication until the end of the prayer. Almighty Saint Cyprian, I invoke your presence in my name and in the name of your Son Jesus Christ, grounded in the supreme power of God the Father, Creator of the universe and all things. At this moment, I open my heart with humility, sincerity, and faith, fully aware of your influence in my life. I acknowledge that, through this prayer, you already know my needs and guide me towards the miracle of financial abundance. May your words resound firmly before our God, so that He may intercede for me, knowing that true wisdom can bring riches. I beseech you now, Saint Cyprian, to open the doors of prosperity and the prosperous path in my life. From now on, may your eternal and absolute power manifest, directing all treasures and riches to my path, allowing me to thrive in all areas, especially finances. I implore you, Saint Cyprian, by your name laden with power, to remove all obstacles blocking my path to success. I fervently ask you to open the doors of abundance in my life, bringing riches and divine treasures that allow me to achieve solid and lasting economic prosperity. I seek this wealth not to glorify myself but to live justly and honestly, ensuring my livelihood and, when possible, extending a hand to those in need. May the angels descend from heaven, filling my life with celestial blessings and divine riches. I desire to prosper in all my endeavors, using my wealth to further expand my assets, radically transforming my current reality. Saint Cyprian, I ask that you keep poverty, bad luck, ill fortune, and any adversity away from me. Grant me a new life of complete success, rich in every sense, where I am not only prosperous but also enlightened and wise, able to manage all this wealth consciously and sustainably, so that it never runs out. May prosperity and money enter my home at this very moment, by the incomparable force of your great power. Through this fervent prayer directed to you, Saint Cyprian, I prophesy that wealth will flow abundantly to me, transforming me into a person of power and wealth, capable of reaching out to those who seek my help. I pray for perseverance in my path, for financial stability, and for a career full of promises and achievements. May the Lord open the gates of heaven so that wealth descends upon me in infinite and surprising quantities. And when this wealth arrives, I ask for protection against evil, against those soulless beings who seek to harm me, against thieves and the envious who lurk. Free me from vain efforts and activities that do nothing but hinder my financial progress. I implore for wisdom to manage and multiply my money most effectively, continually expanding my prosperity. May the powerful magic of Saint Cyprian manifest in my life today, bringing infinite abundance that will fulfill all my needs and those of my fellow earthly travelers. May wealth flow to me like rivers and waterfalls, arising incessantly and without exhausting itself, manifesting not only in my hands but also in my heart, shaping me into a humble person always ready to help those in need, regardless of the magnitude of my assets. Grant me the privilege of enjoying a superior life, abundant in happiness and quality. Today, I prepare myself, my dear Saint Cyprian, for the magnificent wave of infinite wealth that is on its way, about to enter my life by the end of this week. Firmly, I believe that from now on, all the needs to achieve financial prosperity will be met. Wealth already permeates my thoughts, my actions, and every aspect of my daily life. Decisively, I transform my beliefs to cultivate a rich mind and an existence full of abundance. I no longer feed thoughts of lack or scarcity. On the contrary, I place my total trust in your unlimited power, my Saint Cyprian. I am convinced that your assistance will lead me to unimaginable wealth and endless prosperity. Consciously, I open my life to welcome a continuous flow of money and riches, accompanied by countless blessings that will further boost my personal and financial growth. I pray to be granted the wisdom of the wisest to maintain the financial stability that will soon manifest, ensuring that nothing is lacking in this life. May this wealth transform my reality, providing not only material security but also enriching my spirit and my life purpose. May the Lord, in His infinite generosity, open the doors of heaven to provide all the necessary resources that will lead me to prosperity and to all the wonders that wealth can bring. I accept this grace under the powerful intercession of Saint Cyprian, and before his unlimited power, I express my deep gratitude, fully opening myself to the possibilities that this wealth will unlock in my life. I commit to remain eternally grateful and fully aware that I am deserving of all the riches that the Lord chooses to grant me, firm in the conviction that they are inherently mine by right and that no one can usurp them. I believe that my prosperity will be a tangible reality, manifested through the grand power of Saint Cyprian and the sovereign authority of the Creator God. At this moment, I gratefully and eagerly accept all the money that is coming, confident that significant transformations will occur in my life this very week. So it is established and decreed, Amen. Trust in the power of prayer and the ability to manifest what seems impossible in your life. I hope this video has been inspiring, and that you join us here on the channel for more messages of faith and transformation. If this video resonated with you, please like and share it in your groups. All support is always welcome and helps us keep this channel of blessings active. Stay with God, and until the next video.